Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Kia Soul. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 1.6-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Kia has less than 120,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.